Some of the mods we've done already are an engine upgrade, which we've gone from the original 318 to a 360, and we've also changed the transmission out from a 904 to the 727, which is the more the better recommended and a stronger transmission system for the vehicle. I'm trying to keep everything stock with the rat look at the moment. We have an upgrade on the headlights. They are now black lensed with angel eyes, and other items we've fitted are electronic ignition, as well as some new charging and starting parts. Fuel system's been replaced from front to back. Also the braking system has also been replaced front to back. The car was originally found in a hen coop in Cheshire, so from there we brought it up to this level. I'll put some still shots on to give you an idea of where we were, some of the original build, and the original patina from the car. A lot of the bodywork on these Challengers can be quite badly corroded. The A-pillars, for instance, have been rebuilt. I'd like to have fitted new panels, but sometimes acquiring the parts is a mission on itself. So the actual A-pillar has been rebuilt. You can see some of the metalwork we've done. A lot of it's obviously covered now with filler. So we've got some plating work to the doors and to the rear quarters. The exhaust itself is homemade, and to my specifications, with butterflies to bypass silencers or to have a straight roar out onto the pipes, which works very well. And the rear spoiler, boot lid and the rear deck panel has been replaced. This is a common thing to fail. This was rotted probably down to about here and required replacement, and that's been done and jigged, and is now in perfectly square. So that's a quick snippet of what we do at Macc Muscle Cars. I say this is one of our projects. It's a 1970 Dodge Challenger, an ongoing restoration. Not sure where we're going to go, whether it's going to be a full show car resto. But my initial thoughts were just to build as a rat rod, which we've done, and there's still a lot of things we're going to change and upgrade, and I'll try and go through them in steps and with a bit more detail for anyone who's interested. So if you hit the subscribe button, you can keep a check on progress, and obviously give us a thumbs up if you like it, and I'll upload more videos of some other projects and some other repairs, either minor repairs or full builds, as they come through, just to keep everybody interested. Hopefully there'll be something you like. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.